So good morning, everybody. Here is an update on the disaster I've created in my basement. I'm gonna do like a more, maybe I will. I always say I'm gonna do something and then I don't. More detailed thing on the fireplace of how it came out, but I'll show you. So the whole floor is up now in here. When you hear me sticking like that, that's because this floor is very still gluey. Okay, we ready for the fireplace? Oh, I did the second coat of the white on the woodwork. Ready? Dun da da da. It's hard to envision right now, but once there's some more design things gonna happen to it. So, and I did these. Oh, nails are fixed. For real, I actually went and got them done, and my eyebrows. I couldn't take it no more yesterday, but that's a whole nother story. Talk about pain. I didn't have my eyebrows done in 10 months. Oh my God. But anyways, did the thing, spray painted that black because I think I'm getting I don't know what you would call it, but it's like a fireplace. Oh, it's called a fireplace screen, and it has the tree of life. And then I'm going to put candles behind it, which will light it up because that's not a usable fireplace. Well, it is, but I don't want to use it anymore. I did that wall last night. So the red is almost gone. I know it's only 6 a.m., but I just did a bunch more of these tiles. So I only have this section left. And this is a bridge for my kitty, for Daisy, because Daisy is not happy about the feeling of this floor, and I don't blame her. You should see my stinkers, you guys. I have 3 bears. They all have those stuck on the bottom of them. They're right here in the foyer, so like when I go upstairs, I switch off shoes so I don't drag it everywhere. There's probably some sticking here already. I'm off early. I have to bring somebody to an appointment at 8 a.m. in a city, so. But yeah, the bar's still demolished. Everything now is pushed over into this corner. That's my niece's from when she lived with me. I really need her to come pick up all this crap and put it in her storage unit. Oh, and I painted the thing on the bar, the foot thing, to match. And I haven't got to look at furniture or anything like that. The radiators are done over here. The front of them are painted gray. So tonight I'm hoping to bang out the lighter gray above, here. And start working over here. That's a repair. It had to be done. And I found a fantastic picture for this wall. I think I'm going to paint that the dark gray, and it's Einstein, and literally it's like a huge piece. It's like 6 feet big. It's huge. But it's very cool. He looks very wild, and it has all the formulas and stuff sketched around it in different colors. It's like freaking amazing. I hope they didn't sell out of it, but it's at Hobby Lobby. So I have to make a run down there. So I have a huge ass busy day. I've got to bring this lady, because she doesn't have a car, to an appointment. Then I have to meet another lady at the warming center to help her with forms. Then I have to go pick up a form from another person for their veterans benefits or something. I'm not quite understanding what she's telling me, but for her husband, I'll still go do it and see what she's talking about. And then I've got to go to the office. And then I bought 50 bottles that have little keychains on them or little clips on them to put antibacterial solution in. And then I got stickers for my business to start handing those out like as a promotional thing. So I might do a live and do those with you guys, because I have to literally sit there and fill 50 bottles. They're just little bottles, like maybe this big, and they have a hook on them. But yeah, yesterday when I got done working, I was like, you know what? My nails, as you know, they were in really bad shape. They were all broken. And I was like, I need to see. I didn't even know if the nail places were open, because I haven't been since like March. So I went and I just had her do me up. At first I was just going to have it like paint them. But so I got a pair of gloves. Oh, right here. So I'm putting these on when I'm working down here. I mean, I just had them done yesterday, so when I came home, I found these and when I did that wall and stuff, but I'll just have to, I got gel, she said, because I told her, she saw the conditions of my nails and all the paint on them and stuff, and she was like, she thought gel would hold up better than acrylic, so I got gel. And the eyebrow torture chamber, oh my God. But yeah, there's the fireplace. Into the 21st century, it's not looking that great right now because, you know, all the paint's not in. And there's no like decorative items or anything yet. Oh, we painted the shelves. I decided to do those. I'm still debating whether to paint the woodwork at the window white. I know I should, but I just don't know. I'm hoping the curtain or blinds will cover it. Because, I mean, it is still a basement. It doesn't have to be completely perfect. But that's what I got done. Let's see if we could look behind the bar. You could see what a mess. I've got to pull up. There's a fridge back here. Oh, you can't really see, but there's a refrigerator over there and stuff that's got to get pulled out. But I did all the way down in there. You can see. It's still dark outside. All right, so that's our update on this project. The project for today is to paint that. I said another couple of those tiles. Every time I go by, I do a couple more. Is to do that wall in the light gray, and maybe midweek, which is coming, I'll do a live and just kill some time and we can chit chat. I want to talk about, okay, these are things I want to talk about. I want to talk about without a crystal ball, holy schmoly, what the hell with that girl? Okay, I need to talk to other people about this because no one around here would have any idea what I'm talking about. Also, I love RuPaul's Drag Race, so if anybody is interested in talking about that with me, that would be fun. Talk about the new queens for this season and who you favor. And I think there was something else, but I'm not sure. All right, so and then I could just make my little things. All right, I hope you guys have a great Tuesday. I gotta get my little one. I gotta drop her up at my mom's because it's too early to get her on there. I won't be able to make it to her school and then turn around and get this lady where she's got to get to in time. So I've got, I got to do a bunch of stuff. So I will go and I will talk to you guys later. Have a great day. Everybody just take a day off and take a deep breath. It's going to be a beautiful day today. All right. Bye-bye.